Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zita, and on my channel I share with you DIYs and makeovers on a budget. And don't forget to follow me over on my socials at Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Etsy. So let's get started on today's DIYs. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be making over this thrifted stool that I picked up for $3, and it's still really sturdy. It does have some wire on the bottom. It's missing a few rungs, or a couple of rungs there on the bottom, but it's, other than that, it's really sturdy. So I'm going to be using this turntable and this mat there to turn it. And I've wiped the stool clean first to get any dust and debris out there. And I'm going to be using these 3 colors and a crackle medium. So I started off with this beautiful turquoise color, guys. And so I was going to have this as my underneath color, along with the pink and the purple, like dry brushed on top of the turquoise. And then I was going to put the blue color, the same color as you see on that chair there in the background, on the top, in between the crackle. So some of this turquoise color would come through that blue that I was going to put on top. But the crackle did not work out the way I wanted it to. So here I'm dry brushing that pink paint and the purple paint on top, and then once that was dry, I put my crackle medium on top. I don't know if I didn't put enough on or if it was because it was too humid outside. So this is what it looks like once I had the pink and the purple paint dry brush on top, because I wanted some of those colors to come through when I put that blue on top. So once it was dry, I put this crackle medium on, and like I said, it did not work out that great. And I don't know if because I was doing it on my patio and was very humid outside, but you'll see coming up here after I put this blue on. So I let that crackle medium dry, and then I put this blue color on top. It was beautiful blue color, as you can see on that chair in the background. So like I said, I wanted some of that turquoise and that pink and the purple to come through this beautiful blue color, but it didn't work out. And so this is a project I did before, the smashed cans with the crackled there, and I did use a chalk paint. This is an acrylic paint, so I don't know if the crackle worked different on the acrylic paint. You know, not as good as the chalk paint. So I'm going to test that out coming up and do a video for you guys. So what I did is I dry brushed some pink and the purple on top of this blue. I thought I'd start over again and I'll put the turquoise on top. But I put more of the crackle medium on this time. I put a thicker coat on. And it kind of worked out good, because once I was putting that turquoise color on, I was thinking, oh, I should have used this color for the top color, because I thought it was a really beautiful color. So this is one of those, as Bob Ross would say, a happy accident. So I actually like the way the turquoise color turned out on top better. So once again, after my crackle medium was dry, I put the top layer on, and I applied a thicker coat of the crackle medium this time. And I'm just painting it all over here. And as you can see, I took the stool inside because I thought maybe the humidity had something to do with it. So as you can see here, you can see some more crackle this time. You can see some of that blue coming through, some of the underneath color coming through. But I did want more of it to come through. So what I did is I took a wet cloth and I started distressing some of that color back. So I have the crackle in there, and I also did some distressing to bring some more of that beautiful blue color through and some of the pinks and the purples through, and it turned out really, really beautiful, as you'll see here. So after all that was done, I decided I'm going to apply just a few little transfers here. So these are redesigned transfers, and if you don't have any of those, you could use some napkins, guys. I have these beautiful butterfly napkins, and I'll leave a 10% off code for you in the description box, so you can order these from Ninny Napkins. That's where I picked these up. So I'm just picking out the transfers that I want to put on here. I'm just putting a few, just not to overdo it, just to give it a little added touch. So I taped that transfer in place. The tape kind of came off, so I ended up applying it where I wanted it. So I did, for this one, I put the flower on top, and I put some of the stock going over the stool into the leg. And then you're going to burnish it down with this tool that comes with the transfers, and then use the plastic afterwards to burnish it down some more. And this little one that I added here, I kind of wish I would have went over the stool with that one too, but it still looks good, and I can always add some more later on in the future. I'm also going to add this beautiful little butterfly. It's kind of like a light bluish color. So just to make it more summery and like it's going to attach itself to the flower there. And after I have that little butterfly burnish down, again, use that plastic to kind of burnish it down some more. And then I have this little bee here as well. I put that on the leg, and this project is almost finished, guys. So this is what it looks like with the transfers, and the final step is I'm applying a clear finishing wax. And I kind of scoop it out of my container, guys, so I don't contaminate the container of wax with my brush and with the paints and stuff like that. So I'm going to apply that all over the stool, and then this project is finished. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you thought of this beautiful little project, and which color did you guys like on top better? That you like this turquoise color, or did you prefer the blue color on top? Let me know in the comments. Well, guys, I hope this little project gave you some inspiration today to make something over that you've thrifted. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I put out some new videos, and you'll see what projects I have coming up. So that's what it looked like before, and this is what it looked like after, guys. So give me a comment and a like, and let me know what you thought of this project. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.